Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. In today's video, I have created this cut crease eye makeup look. As you can see, it is a sort of pink and purple kind of look with these dots on my eye bone, and I have also used like green and yellow kind of a color on my lower lashes. So it is a sort of colorful eye makeup or a colorful cut crease eye makeup with these glossy lips and a subtle foundation look. So if you want to learn this look, please keep watching my video, and before that please subscribe my channel and don't forget to press a bell icon for the further notifications. So without any delay, let's get started with the video now. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. I hope you liked it. Please tell me in the comment section below and also give it a thumbs up. And also if you want to learn any different kind of makeup look, you can also tell me in the comment section below. Till then, bye bye, take care. I love you all.